Hello everyone, the latest folding portable washing machine. There are 4 colors. It's very convenient and can be put in the trunk of the car when traveling. You can put it in your suitcase or in your bedroom. Suitable for washing girls' personal articles, babies' clothes, socks or part clothing, summer clothes or room bed sterilization. Very easy to use, just lift up and stretch. Unplug the washing machine, pour in water and close that in the washing. Then add the detergent. The maximum free time setting is 15 minutes. Suggest 7 or 8 minutes at a time. A lid on it. Wait for the laundry to finish. Turn on the drain switch, then automatically drain the water. You can also grab the handle and pour the water out. The machine runs smoothly with a rubber pant at the bottom.